Hello, I'm Jen from the channel JenLuvsReviews, and I just released a collaboration Metamorphosis lip trio with OFRA Cosmetics.
You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah. With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find
This is a product that I've always wanted to exist, and I am so excited that thanks to OFRA, it now does. This lip trio is in the traditional OFRA liquid lipstick formula that you love. But what makes it unique is that I worked with the colorists at OFRA to design these shades specifically to mix with other shades in your collection so that you never have to waste another lipstick, liquid lipstick, or lip gloss ever again. In the trio, we have Revive, which is a pale neutral with peach and pink undertones, Refine, which is a neutral mocha nude with mauve undertones, and Reimagine, which is a deep neutral mocha brown. These lipsticks are for people that love playing with makeup, that like having fun, that like seeing the transformation of color. I feel like with eyeshadow, we have the opportunity to play with color so much, but I feel like with lips, it's been kind of lacking unless you take things out of your collection and kind of get creative yourself. And digging through my drawers was always a little bit frustrating, trying to find a color that transformed lipsticks the way that I wanted them to. And that's why I am so happy to now have this, because now I only have to worry about looking for one of the three colors. And another thing that's great about this is that the liquid lipstick takes on the form of whatever you mix them with. So if you have a really super comfy plush lipstick that you want to mix it with, it'll still feel super comfy and plush. Today I'm wearing Refine with a lip gloss, and it still feels like a lip gloss, and I love that about these. The pre-sale on these is today, which is July 20th. You are able to get the kit. It is $50, which is a $10 discount off of buying all three individually, but there is something special coming if you'd like to hold out. On National Lipstick Day, you'll be able to buy the set along with the individuals if you only want one shade. And the bonus is that OFRA is going to throw in a free liquid lipstick that they're going to choose for you with your order. So that's really awesome. And if you want to save even more money, you could use my code, which is an affiliate code, and it's just Jen, Jen at checkout, and you will save 20% off of your order at OFRA.com. Now, this is an OFRA.com exclusive at this point, but you definitely want to check OFRA's website for all international shipping information. Thank you so much for being interested in my Metamorphosis Trio lip set. I am so proud of this, and I just want to thank very quickly OFRA Cosmetics, all of the people over there, and the colorists who worked so hard with me to get these to be the perfect shades for you so you can live your best life and transform your lipsticks into the perfect shade for you. Thank you so much for watching. Mad love to you, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye!